Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a watermark to your photos in Binance Square. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged in, so in case you have not, do it right now. Now let us simply look at how to add the watermark. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. Just below Creator Center, you will see the settings button right here. Click on it. As such, you will be redirected to this page. From here, you can manage the content. And at the bottom, you can see a button like this that says Image Settings. Click on it, and guys, that is it. As you can see, I have already enabled the button that says when you turn on this watermark feature, your nickname watermark will appear on all your images. That's it guys. That's how you add watermark to all your images in Binance Square. You just have to toggle on this button. That is it guys. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.